Hi everyone, welcome to Srishti. I'm back again with a cute project. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this crochet applique card. We can use this applique card to decorate many items, like we can attach it on a cap or on a bag and even a t-shirt. And we can make a cute birthday card with this card. I'm sure your children will love it. So let's start. I am using two contrasting color of cotton yarn. It is 4-ply cotton yarn and 2.75 millimeter of crochet hook. I will require scissors and darning needle to cut the extra yarn and darn it. And I will be making the body of the car with this green and wheels of the car with this purple yarn. So let's start with the green yarn. We will make first 13 chains. Make the loop. Now make 13 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 and 13. Now make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. The loop on the hook will not count as a chain. This is the first chain and this is second chain, and make single crochet. And now make a single crochet in each chain till the end. Now you will have total 12 single crochet, and after that just make a chain and turn your work and start making single crochet on the very first stitch, that is here, and make single crochet in all stitches, and you will get again 12 single crochet. That will be the second row, and we will repeat this for 2 more rows. So after 4th row I will show you how it will look. After 4th row it will look like this. I have finished row 4, and now I will show you how to do the row 5. We will not make any chain, we will just turn the work, and we will make 5 slip stitch in the first 5 stitches. So insert the hook in the very first stitch and pull the yarn through the loop, and your slip stitch done. Do it 4 more times. Pull the yarn and through the loop. Again insert the hook, pull the yarn and pull it through the loop. 3, now 4, and now 5 times, and make it little loose because we have to work on it in the next row. So after making 5 slip stitches, now we will make 6 single chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I have done 6 chains. Now we will make treble crochet in the 3rd stitch from here. So this is the first, second and third. We will have to skip these 2 stitches, and we will do treble crochet in the 3rd stitch. To do treble crochet, we have to take the yarn over the hook twice and insert the hook in the third stitch from here, and now pull up a loop. Now you have total 4 loops on the hook. So again take the yarn over the hook and pull through 2 loops. Do it 2 more times, total 3 times, and your treble crochet is done. We will make another treble crochet in the very next stitch. So take the yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook in the stitch and pull a loop. 4 loops on the hook. Take the yarn over the hook and pull through 2 loops for 3 times. Next treble crochet is also done. Now make 2 chains, and we will skip here 2 stitches, and we will make another treble crochet in the very last stitch. So take the yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook in the last stitch and pull the loop to make 4 loops on the hook. Now take the yarn over the hook and pull through 2 loops at a time for 3 times. Your 5th row is done. You can see that already it has taken the shape of a car's body. So to start the row 6, we have to start with a chain, and now I will make 3 single crochet over this triple crochet. So I have to take the hook just below the triple crochet and pull up a loop and make the single crochet like this. 2 more, 3 single crochet done. Now we will make 1 single crochet for each row. So next, for the next 4 row, we will make 4 single crochet. Insert the hook here and make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have reached the corner. For the corner, always we have to make a chain and insert the hook on that initial chain that we have made and make a single crochet, and we will make total 12 single crochet here on the border, and we will take the yarn while making the single crochet so that we don't need to darn it again. So let's make 11 more single crochet. Now we have reached the corner. So here we will make a chain, and then we are not going to make single crochet in this row. Here we will make slip stitch. So insert the hook and pull the loop through the loop over the hook, and again insert the hook and pull the yarn through the loop. 2 and then 3 and then 4. Now again we have reached the corner where we have started those 5 slip stitches. So we will make again 5 slip stitch on these slip stitches. So we'll insert the hook through 1 loop. I will show you again. It is the V, and we will insert through 1 loop. and make slip stitch. Again insert hook here and make slip stitch. Now this is the fifth one. You can see the shape of the front of the card. Now we have reached here where we made 6 chains. Over the 6 chains we will make 6 single crochet. So take the hook below these chains and pull the loop and make single crochet over this chain, below this loop and over this chain. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will make 2 single crochet on the top of each triple crochet. So insert the hook here and pull up a loop to make the single crochet. Again repeat it. Now we reach to the 2 chain space. So here we will make 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Now again we reach the another corner. So we will make a chain and now make a slip stitch on the top of the very first single crochet, and your row 6 is done. And now you can cut the yarn. You can cut the extra yarn and you can darn this behind the card. So now I will show you how to make the wheels. For wheel I am using purple yarn, and to make the wheel we have to start with the magic ring and keep it longer tail, and I will use this longer tail to stitch the wheels to the body of the car. So make a magic ring, take the yarn and make a loop on the tip of your finger and insert the hook within the loop and pull up the loop. And now we have to make 2 chains, and then we will make 11 half double crochet within this ring. So take the yarn over the hook and insert the hook through the ring and pull the loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Take the yarn over the hook and pull through all the 3 loops. Your half double crochet is done. Do it again. Take the yarn over the hook, insert the hook through the ring, pull up a loop. Now 3 loops on the hook. Take the yarn over the hook and pull through all the 3 loops. Like this, make total 11 half double crochet. After 11 half double crochet, we have to insert the hook on the first half double crochet and make a slip stitch. And now cut the yarn and darn it with the needle, and darn it nicely so that it will keep the shape of the circle. Turn it behind it and like this. So cut the extra yarn and now make the center tight by pulling the tail. Now your wheel is done. Make 2 wheels. Now take the car. Now take 1 wheel and thread the tail in a needle, and now insert the needle in the third space in the first row. 1, 2, 3 here, just top of the first row. Here you insert the needle and hold it like this and just turn it and insert it to the wheel and take it out and just make a knot and now you turn it within the wheel so that the purple color should not be seen from the outside. Now cut the extra yarn. Now take the next one and again thread the tail in the needle and now from here also you search the 1, 2, 3. Here you can insert the needle and now just hold it in the same position and just maintain the top of the wheel should be in a line and turn your work and make a stitch and then make a knot on it to secure it and now insert it and turn it on the wheel so that it should not be seen from the above. So cut the extra yarn and your car applique is done. So what is the favorite color of your child? Make a car with that color. I am showing you few more cars that I have made with acrylic yarn. In any color, I think it will look awesome. You can use any yarn, but only thing use the hook according to it. I'm giving you some idea how to make a card with this. Take a white paper or card and draw some roads, trees, or anything you like and make a cute little card. I made it with a cotton yarn, that is anchor knitting cotton, and I have used 2 mm of hook, and you can paste it on the road and a beautiful card is ready. So I hope you like my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this in future. Thank you. Bye bye.